Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today we're going to take a couple of trades. I go with the buyers here. You can see beautiful trend to the upside, but the important point of this trade is this one. Look at this. I can spot the QMs almost immediately, but for this one we have the trend line landing on the QM area. Beautiful as possible. Look at this one. It's a nice little QM. Okay, I believe there should be engulf. I haven't checked the engulf yet. Oh my god, why it's on 2 minutes? Alright, the trade is on 2 minutes, but it's still fine. I will check the confirmation real quick. Yes, this is the engulf. So in 1 minute, let me see. Alright, this little gap here played as demand area for me, but my main reason for this one is when QM lining up with a trend line, it becomes so freaking strong that you can count on them. Okay, so this is gonna be my first trade. Always go with the trend. Always go with the trend. That's really helps to your trading outcome. And here also we have this little market sequence, not super strong because it's just only second time. But yeah, in general, going with the trend, you can add up the market sequence and consider the gaps and you're fine. I will look for other opportunities. Alright, this is an engulf, right? It looks like an engulf. So I'm gonna go to the lower time frame to see if we have anything inside of it. We have a nice little QM. Okay, you can see nice little QM inside of that. Maybe we can add up this trend line. The price goes up and then we can go with the sellers just in case if it goes up. But it seems it's just dropping, so we don't care about this trade. And yeah, it's just dropping. All right. We have a nice little ABC to the upside here. This is a round number. This is a red green pattern for now. And let's see how this candle is going to close. For example, if this candle close here and then we start from a gap down, that's a nice trade. But let's see. All right, this is a gap up. I don't trust this one. It can go up for sure, but I'm gonna not take this trade or take it with marginal safety. It has a gap up. It's a seller's confirmation for us. It can come down or it can go up at the last second they reject and close something like this. But in general, this is an outside bar. It can have retracement. I don't take this trade because, let me see, this is a buyer's entry trend line. I go with the buyers right at this round number. Okay, I forgot to lower the amount, but that's fine. Let's see what the result's gonna be. Yeah, it's just a losing trade. Okay, just a losing trade. Even this ABC, if we were considering this one, it already consumed on this candle. Okay, let me just go to the higher time frame real quick. Yes, we have this engulf. You can see this engulf. Okay, go to 1 minute. You can see ABC and also you can see a QM. This is a QM, right? So it already has been used on this candle. So this trade was okay. I go 2 trades here. This trade is absolutely a bad trade, but this one is nice. You already know why. You can see this beautiful gap down. This beautiful gap down. We have market sequence. We have exactly the same pattern needing retracement, right? Just like the before, just like the previous time. If you look at the previous time, we have a little gap down, and here also we have a gap down. So it's exactly doing the same thing. And also an ABC break adds up right here. This is a ranging market, color patterns, everything is matching up right at this point. That's why I go with the buyers. And this gap down is super strong. Gap ups and gap downs super strong. If you have no idea what they are, I have explained them in this video, the mini course part 1. You can watch them and learn. All right, so this was perfect. This was a bad trade. This was perfect. Yeah, so the whole thing about binary is mixing up your reasons to take the trade, and that's literally all. With a healthy mindset and experience, no one can stop you from making profit. Even that's all about experience and, you know, having enough time with the charts and being familiar with market movements. That's literally all, man. All right, we have a third touch breakout, but it is against the trend, right? So we have been in uptrend, and now the minor trend is downtrend here, but we have a third touch breakout. Okay, so if I want to take this one, it's against the trend. I go with lower amount for sure. Maybe this one, yeah. Go with lower amount. Let's see if we don't have any gap. Let's see if we're closing somewhere. No, we're not closing on a round number 2. So the only reason in this case is this breakout. When we have a third touch breakout, let's say this is the support. Okay, first touch, second touch, and third touch. And the third touch is breaking this. We can take a retracement trade, especially if there's a doji broken. It really makes this strong. If this is a pattern, makes it strong. But in this case, we don't really have enough reasons. That's why I go with lower amount. And as you know, I have dynamic money management risk. It means that when I know the trade is not super strong, I go with lower trade amount, just to, you know, control the risk to reward ratio. Okay, this is what I risk for this trade. But if I had a doji broken, for example, if it was a doji right here, I would take this with 500 because I know it's gonna be a winning trade. Okay, that's an extra reason to take this. But when you see not enough reasons, just lower the amount. That's super safe. All right. For example, this is a doji, right? And then we have again first touch, second touch. Let's say a candle goes up and close above that. This is a breakout. And then we have a doji here broken. That's another reason. So you can take this confidently. But about the breakout, for now, we need a lower low. Okay, this is a low. We need a lower low. Then we need to be this being broken. So if it comes up and break this is not a proper breakout. As you can see here, first touch, second touch, we need a lower low and then breakout. Okay, that way you can take better trades. All right. So based on doji break, we have a doji broken here, but it's not a beautiful ranging market. You know that doji breaks works best in ranging markets. All right. I don't feel good about this trade to take a sell. If I want to take this, I would take with lower amounts, but in general, I'm not going to take this one. So we're going to go back to normal and look for better opportunities. Oh, this is the first trade we took. All right. Okay, if you look at this one, this is a doji again, and this is a QM2, right? This is QM, and then doji, and then we have trend line. So if this candle is closing here, I'm taking this trade like freaking crazy, man. Let's fucking go. I will take this trade 100% because this is beautiful. Let's just check the confirmation. I believe there shouldn't be yes, there's not a higher time frame confirmation, but I go 2 trades here. Oh my god, my first entry is so bad. You know, we have tons of freaking reasons here. Let's just see. The trend is not with us. We have a doji broken, we have a pattern needing retracement, we have color patterns, we have this one closing on a seller's area. Okay, so these are all the reasons to take this trade, and the trend is not with us. So it's the only reason that I'm not taking 3 trades. I would take it 4 freaking trades on this one, but you know, the only reason that I'm skeptical, I was a little skeptical about this trade, is this QM hasn't engulf. You know that the QMs having engulf here works best, right? And then yes, the QM doesn't have engulf, and it's against the trend, right? All right, let's I don't know, my second entry is pretty bad. I believe they closed down here. Okay, nice one. So I'm gonna show you one more example here. Okay, this is another QM. This is another QM. Okay, let's check the confirmation. All right, we don't see a confirmation in 3 minutes. Yeah, in 5 minutes still. We don't see a confirmation for this one too, but it worked. But I wouldn't take this one because it doesn't have trend line. It's not being combined with anything else. All right, but this one, this little QM right here, it's being combined with this doji, Okay, it's closing exactly on the seller's entry. It has the trend line. All right, and also this is a color pattern, red green pattern, right? And market being range and doji break in a ranging market works best. That's why I took this trade. Okay, even without a confirmation in higher time frame. Okay, QM is super powerful, but you need a little bit of experience with this QM, and you make crazy profit with it. Thank you for watching, everybody. Peace out.